Dude, I want to go in the cafe, I'm hungry, you fat hobbit. No, we can't, we must go to the game shop and buy the new Gears of War. Please, can we just go in the fucking cafe? I want to show off my Gears of War t-shirt to the waiter. That looks like a man. That sounds like a good idea. I want to do Marcus impressions while we are waiting, or I might take my Gears of War badge off and try and sell it. Nisma Joe, why don't you get a Gears of War hat to match your bed covers? I might, but I want to tell the shop owner about my 98th Gears of War montage full of amazing double scopes when the players are standing at spawn. Fight through the pain. Now I'm pissed. That was a bad impression of Marcus. Why don't you just give the waiter some tips on Supermans and Spidermans, then she will come home with us and split screen on Fuel Depot. Please, for God's sake, I need to get a tattoo on my arm. I might get a torque bow or a smoke grenade. Fuck you, that was my idea. My mom collects cog tags. I'm going to kill that old slut. I will teardrop a torque bow bullet in her room, and you can give me Lancer support from the starters, okay? Before we rush her, I want her to glitch my gamer score, because my dad teases me about my gamer score. Fucking ginger pirate, I swear, Nisma Joe, I will chat glitch him when I get back.